Hello coding champs! Today we're cracking the code on arrays. Trust me, it's going to be a game changer. Picture an array like a row of lockers at school. Each locker has a number, 0, 1, 2, and holds one item like a book or a snack. In programming, an array is a list that stores data in the same orderly way. Let's see an array in action. Imagine we have an array called fruits. It's a list with 3 items, apple, banana, and orange. We use numbers, called the index, to grab what we want. Index 0 is apple, index 1 is banana, and index 2 is orange. Here's another one. A list of game scores. Let's say we have scores equal sign, 85, 92, 77. Index 0 is 85, index 1 is 92, and index 2 is 77. Arrays help us keep track of data, like your top scores, super easily. So why do arrays matter? They keep your data neat and easy to find. Without arrays, it's like a messy desk with papers everywhere. With arrays, it's like labeled boxes, everything's in its place. And that's arrays in a nutshell. They're like magic lists for organizing data. Want to learn more coding tricks? Hit that like button and stay tuned for more. See you next time.